to Ribbit but croaked like a dog. He cleared his throat, he gave a shrug, then let out a moo like a sleepy bug.
Hello, no Freddy, what was that? You meowed then squeaked like a jungle bat. You're a frog, you don't go woof.
You're not a cat stuck on the roof. He went to Ducky for some advice. Ducky said, try quacking twice. Freddy tried, then let out a roar, scared the fish right off the shore.
Oh no, Freddy, that's not it. You sounded like a trumpet with a banana split. You're a frog, not a rhino band.
Now try again with your froggy stand. He took a breath, puffed out his cheeks, practiced Ribbit for 7 weeks. And when he spoke, the jungle froze. He sneezed and squawked like a garden hose.
Oh, Freddy, Freddy, don't be blue. Even if your Ribbit sounds like a shoe. You're a frog, you're silly and sweet, and your weird voice is our favorite beat.